Fubara, I regret say I fight for you. You be weak man. Isaac Fayose. Welcome country people to Synop Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification button. E go ring once we drop update. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Businessman and social commentator when im name na Isaac Fayose, e don tok say e regret say im fight for di suspended Rivers State Governor Siminalayi Fubara. Fayose dey tok dis one while e dey react to di pictures wey Fubara take with President Tinubu wen e visit am for im Lagos house on Tuesday, June 3rd. For di video wey Fayose make, e come describe Governor Fubara say na weakling. Fubara, dat na governor 3 months ago. E say all e dey do now na to go take pictures either with president for London or Lagos, or stand outside Aso Rock, or stand outside Wike's house. They don change im destiny. Now e dey take pictures with the enemy. What a weak man. Fubara, you are very weak. I regret say I even fight for you. You be very weak man. You be weakling. You go wonder why Isaac Fayose, when he be the younger brother of the former governor of Ekiti State, Ayo Fayose, dey talk like this. The words when he take dey describe Fubara say na weak man, e dey pitiable, and say e regret say im fight for am. Nigerians no fit recall any time when Isaac fight for Fubara, either with im pen or physically, but now im dey claim say e fight for Fubara, and now Fubara e dey romance with the enemies. Na make am be weak man. We no know whether e expect Fubara to still dey challenge the president and commander-in-chief when he declare im office suspended for March 18 this year over the problem, the political crisis wey im get with im godfather and predecessor Nyesom Wike. Wetin Isaac Fayose come dey expect Fubara to do after the president don suspend am for the first 6 months? E dey expect Fubara to begin resist the president. E no like the peace moves wey Fubara dey make so to make sure say the democratic process for Rivers State e return back to as e be before they put the emergency rule. Why Isaac Fayose come take on Fubara like this, come dey call am all these plenty names, when record not dey of anything when Isaac do to take fight for Fubara? This attack when Isaac Fayose don give to Fubara, so e dey anger some people and they dey react to am. Some dey say the Isaac e no well at all. He say which help im don render to Fubara when e dey this challenging period. He say Fubara na state governor and Tinubu na the president of the country. He say dem suppose to work for harmony. He say make Fubara not listen to Isaac when they believe say e no dey sound. Another person come dey comment say, Isaac, you no fit fight for yourself and your brother Ayodele Fayose, talk less of a man when he come from Rivers State. He say your mouth when e be like basket so, make you control am, make peace reign. But others still dey see say wetin Isaac talk, sense dey there. He say Fubara na technocrat, no be politician, and because of that one, he lack strategy of politician. Now e dey dilemma, e dey between the devil and the deep blue sea. And this person can say in wish and luck. But wetin exactly they want make Fubara do at this stage? Una go recall, say when they do night of tribute for late elder statesman Edwin Clark, when people dey talk different things to eulogize Fubara, when e reach in time to talk, e come remind the people say that gathering no be about am o, na about Pa Clark. So make the people temper the words when they use for there, make e no come be like say e gather those people to take attack the president and the minister of the FCT, Tinubu and Wike, when he follow dey get problem. You know, he say make they dey maintain how they dey talk, make they copy am, because im dey on the path of peace. Before that time, Wike don talk, say Fubara dey do one thing for front, e dey seek peace for front, and his supporters dem dey call for war for back. He say if na wayo peace Fubara dey seek, e go get am. If na better peace e dey seek, e go get am. Now the man don graduate now, dey try to make negotiations, make peace dey, because na him wear the shoe. Na him the people of Rivers State give the mandate. Now one businessman, e don dey lampoon am, e don dey attack am, e don dey call am all kinds of names, say na weakling, say na weak man, say na either e go meet president or e go stand for Wike door. Which one una want make Fubara do? E remind me of one musician of Urhobo extraction, when he say if na so e know say this world go be, na two heads na e from carry come. He say because if he do good, they go say he do good. If he do bad, they go say he do bad. Now this scenario now they play out. Fubara now they seek for peace. Somebody now they insult him, say na weak man. But when in dey house so, the person not do anything to help him to go get back in seat. Country people, how una see this scenario when Isaac Fayose dey lambast Fubara and they call am unprintable names? Make Fubara listen to people like am, or make it continue dey seek the peace when e dey pursue dey go? Who know? Even the Bible say people when dey seek peace, they are blessed. He said they go call them the sons of God. So country people, Fubara dey on the right path. So this in peace move we need dey make to restore peace back to Rivers and make him for take his seat back as the governor when the people vote for, or make him listen to people like Isaac Fayose when they be like rabble rouser, they will cause problem, and like the man they insult him for no just cause, so that the problem go see dey down for Rivers State. Wetin Fubara go do?